How to fix internet connection fail after the new Windows 10 update. Press the Windows button plus R. Write regedit. Search or paste OK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, SharedAccess. Right click in there and make a new dword 32-bit. And change the value or write in or paste in enable reboot persistent connection, then press enter. Right click on it and edit the value and change it from 0 to 1. Then press enter. Close it. Press the Windows plus R buttons again and search for services.msc. Search for the Internet Connection Sharing, ics. Open it and change the startup to automatic, and then press apply and OK. Done. Now you don't have to share your VPN adapter to your console because the computer will do it automatically. Tutorial made by AllSafeVPN. Italian gangster.